Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, the Aussie dollar's been going down pretty strong. We're definitely at a pretty apparent trend line right here, but we do have to keep in mind that this could turn into like an expanding correction, which if it does, it will go down and take out all these lows before it actually does start that big move to the upside. So there's really no reason to say that this trend is over just because we're sitting at a trend line. So going down to the weekly time frame, like I've been saying, I think this is very clearly a 3-3 pattern. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Normally that would lead to 1, 2, 3, and the reason why I think it could turn into an expanding is because this wave 3 seems way too small, and it likely probably will end up looking something like that for more like an expanding 3, 3, 5 pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have a new lower high in right here, which is good news for us because now if it goes up and breaks this high, we'll know that this whole move to the downside is over. Until it actually breaks that high, I would be very bearish if I was you because like I've been saying, if this really is a wave 3, then we have a lots and lots and lots of downside potential because we're only at the 61% Fibonacci extension of the wave 1 projected out the top of the wave 2. Most wave 3s go way beyond that. Most of them go to around 161%. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down right here. We had a really nice little push down this week so far. Now, for me personally, I'm definitely still looking for shorts until it breaks this high right here. If I see some sort of a three-way pattern to the upside, a nice little Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside, then I'm definitely going to take that as a short for for the continuation of the downtrend. Otherwise, if it goes up and takes out this high, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. Going right down to the 1 hour time frame, we got a nice impulsive up over here. So I was thinking that maybe this is a wave A already, maybe this is already a wave B, and maybe we're gonna drift up to one of these Fibonacci levels for a wave C. And then, if we get that big impulsive engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I definitely will continue to look for shorts as long as it does not go up here and break this high. I am definitely primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that tomorrow is a really big holiday for the US. It's Thanksgiving. Now, I know that the rest of the world it's not a holiday, but the US markets are going to be closed and the US pairs are probably going to be very slow for the rest of the week. So we may get a little bit of a rangy market going into the end of this week for sure. So definitely be careful. You don't want to get trapped in a rangy market if you're trying to swing trade. That's for sure. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.